Welcome back to Fox News Sunday.
In an interview with Fox News Sunday, Clinton criticized Trump's stance on Russia in view of the hacking allegations.
We know that Donald Trump has shown a very troubling willingness to back up Putin, to support Putin, whether it's saying that NATO wouldn't come to the rescue of our allies if they were invaded, talking about removing sanctions from Russian officials after they were imposed by the United States and Europe together because of Russia's aggressiveness in Crimea and Ukraine.
Trump has suggested he might recognize Moscow's annexation of Ukraine's Crimea Peninsula. In an interview with George Stephanopoulos on ABC's This Week show, he said he was being practical.
But if we can have a good relationship with Russia, and if Russia would help us get rid of ISIS, frankly, as far as I'm concerned, you're talking about tremendous amounts of money and lives and everything else. That would be a positive thing.
Trump also responded to criticism from a U.S. Muslim father whose son died serving with U.S. forces in Iraq.
If you look at his wife, she was standing there. She had nothing to say. Maybe she wasn't allowed to have anything to say.
The soldier's parents reacted angrily at the suggestion.
I was in pain, and all America felt that pain.
Referring to Trump's remarks, Clinton told supporters in Pennsylvania Saturday that her rival is not a normal candidate.
Somebody who attacks everybody has something missing.
Trump, who usually calls Clinton Crooked Hillary, made it clear that the tone of the campaign will not get any better.
Just remember this, Trump is going to be no more Mr. Nice Guy.
The latest polls indicate a very tough race for the top U.S. office. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.